For today, we're going to get percentage of total revenue, drag that column down, and make two charts. So click in this area, type in percentage of total revenue. For this, our first instinct might be to go equals, to tell the computer it's going to be a formula. Click here on the amount we want to divide into, divided by, and then the total revenue, and hit enter. That works for each individual one, but if we drag it down, it's looking for what is going into it. Like the 180,000 is looking for a number right here, 195 is looking right here, and so on. So what we have to do is first go equals, tells the computer is going to be a formula. Click on our 450,000 or whatever number you have here, divide by the total, hit enter, go back to your percent, it's probably in decimal format, and then go up to the formula bar up here, put a $sign in front of your letter referencing the cell with your total, and then another $sign referencing or telling the number of the cell with your total, and then hit enter. So when we drag it down, it will always refer to this one. So when I click on the 1% here, $in, $11, referring to this cell here with our total that we want to stay the same. This might not seem valuable, and we have 6 items, but if we had, say, a spreadsheet for a business with 1,000 customers, it would seem more important. So now we're going to make a chart, highlight our title, percentage of total revenue, down to include the 1% or whatever you have on the bottom. And then we're going to go insert, choose a chart. It needs to be a pie chart for one of the charts and a bar and column or column for the other. Drag it down so you can still access this section over here with the seat names. I want it to not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but include, in this example, elite seating, box seating, and so on. So find an area in the white space, right click, go to select data, go to edit over here on the right, because this is what we want to change. Choose seating. Don't include this title or this title. And then hit OK and OK. Usually this space here means I selected one cell too many. That's all there is to it. That's a pie chart. And then I just right click, copy or cut, go to my second sheet and paste it in here. Sometimes you can get the title on the chart, sometimes it just doesn't seem to work. If you want to get rid of these grid lines, let's go to page layout. You have to click off the chart onto the grid lines and then take the check mark out of view. And we'll do the last chart and that'll be it. So I'm going to go back to sheet 1, highlight total sales and the quantities. And then I'm going to go to insert and choose bar chart. I'm going to right click, select data, go to edit, choose seats I want, hit OK. And okay, right click on this, cut it, go to your sheet 2, paste it in here. We don't need the second total sales, so I'm going to right click on it and delete it. This would be adequate. If you want to look a little bit better, you could make it a little bit larger. But then the problem with that is you lose the ability to see both tables well. So another thing you could do is to right click in this area and go to font and just make it a smaller font, perhaps 7. Thank you.